Are you familiar with employer of records and professional employer organization? International companies usually face difficulty to establish their business in Iraq and Kurdistan region due to legal regulations, security, and logistics. Many smaller to mid-sized businesses may not have the resources needed to set up an efficient and effective in-house HR department. So it's important to find an outsourcing company that will work with you and provide services that are easy to use and accessible for your employees, such as professional employer organization, employer of record, and human resources outsourcing. At Shull Employment Solutions, a third-party contracted firm responsible for all formal employment tasks for your overseas employee. As the leading employment solutions in Iraq and Kurdistan, we take care of contracting, visa and residency, payroll, health insurance, client support and consultations, personal income tax and social security. Our employer of record and professional employer organization offers you the expertise, guidance, resources and solutions to help you grow faster, save on administration costs, and lower employee turnover. Visit our website for more information, www.shullsolutions.com.